Helicopters are armed with rapid-fire Hellfire missiles. Their starting quadrants are marked H. They can rearm at their own or allies' loading zones. Helicopters move diagonally 1 to 12 quadrants. Helicopters can move over all ground pieces and move diagonally between aircraft. They cannot move over quadrants occupied by opposing aircraft. They attack by firing from their position into the target quadrant. They fire diagonally 1 to 5 quadrants at ground and air targets, over landscape, structures and friendly ground crews. They also fire around friendly aircraft in the line of fire and under enemy aircraft at opposing ground pieces. They cannot fire through opposing leading pieces in the line of fire, or through trees to hit camouflaged commandos. Helicopters provide cover diagonally 1 to 5 quadrants. They provide cover from both air and ground attacks, and they cover armed crews against rapid-fire ammunition.